And then John, I just spin round.
Brenda, what exactly are you doing?
The story was too entertaining. I couldn't stop in the middle of that.
Exactly were you relating to Janice?
I just tell her about the first time we meet. You remember?
Sure. December 9, 11:23 and 23 seconds. Your exact words were, "Wow, Lincoln, seems like you robbed a donkey."
Alright. Don't know, no?
No, leave him. I want to hear.
That session lasted for 2 hours and 45 minutes. After which we rested for 15 minutes and 32 seconds. We restarted at 2:51 a.m. and ended at 5:23 and 43 seconds. And during that session, she repeatedly said, "Lincoln, move it from there. Right there is tender."
You know, I'm inside for go do.
As a matter of fact, I think I left my calculator.
It's not a room, one feet. Hello, you can't stop laughing now, you know.
Hold on, Brenda. Be curious. What size is Lincoln's?
9 3/4
Hello!
inches to be exact.
Einstein, I mean she attack.
Lord, have mercy.
I the same thing me say when me see it. Me say, John, I never talk to nobody who carry that the size. You see me while when we have local arguments, I me say me want him for go on. Me remember him tool and me say, me nah let go that make no girl out a road get it.
Brenda, it's him.
Who?
The guy we met the other day, Dollas.
Alright.
Okay, look here. Go up here. Talk to him. Look at me. The camera gives. Make a change.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, hi, come in.
Well, my name is
Dollas.
Yes, and I'm here to see.
Janice.
Well, since you know so much about me, I know who I come here to see. Can I get to know you?
Oh, I'm Brenda, Janice's best friend.
Wow.
So come, have a seat. So Dollas, Janice said that you're a record producer.
Yeah.
You can introduce me to Vibes Cartel, Bunty and Beanie?
Well, Cartel is in prison, but Bunty and Beanie, anytime you're ready.
So remember I sing one here when Cartel hit the bank and clap Ninja Man 9 face. Remember?
Wow. And how are you doing?
Oh, Dollas.
Hi.
I'm fine. Brenda, you're not going to clean your room?
My room clean up. Oh yes, Jesus, see the room one clean. Anyways, me go inside go clean room and me go stay long, alright?
Alright.
Thank God. Your friend is weird.
It's the first time I see her acting like that.
So, how are you doing?
I'm fine, and you look handsome. as usual.
And you look beautiful and sexy as usual.
Thank you.
Oh, me I put the cup in the kitchen. Janice, we are going in the room, and this time we are going to stay long.
Alright. Dollas. Let's go on the road.
No problem with that.
We'll have more privacy.
Think you're right.
Alright, here what? Meet at the vehicle. I'll be there in a second.
Alright, no problem.
Dollas! Let's go in my room.
Brenda, am I to conclude you're eavesdropping on Janice? Brenda, this is a 4-inch thick mahogany door. It's impossible to hear anything through it.
Go on back in the room, man. Come on, I'm calling you out here for. Let me listen. Yeah, come down. Oh shit!
Why not come out of life?
Me nah go lie. You have to go tell me what kind of bait you use and catch that fish here.